Hey, welcome back. I hope that you are having a great day. So I'm really excited to share with you today one of our brand new Hostess exclusive items. So this means it is an item that you can only grab by hosting a party. Now, there are lots of ways to host a party with 31, whether you do an in-person party, whether it be at your home or a restaurant, or maybe a recreation center, at the ball field. There are so many ways that you can gather, or it be online with one of my bingo parties, or a scroll and shop, or a 15-minute party. Or you can gather your friends together for a fun night and get your friends to place orders on your link, and you earn Hostess Rewards. Now, our Hostess Rewards program starts at the $200 level. That's about 4 to 5 average orders, and you are qualified to earn Hostess Rewards. Now, at each $100 level, you move up a little bit more and a little bit more, and you earn a little bit more, right? I always tell my hostesses we want a minimum of a $500 party, because that's where you kind of get to double your rewards, and that $1,000 party is our ultimate goal, and we will get to double your rewards again. Now, when you reach that qualifying party status, you earn insider or hostess exclusives, which means only our hostesses are able to grab these items. And one of the most coveted item year after year is our Stand Tall insert. Now, the Stand Tall insert fits inside of your large utility tote, giving it structure and a little bit of organization on the inside. So sometimes it's nice for our large utility totes to fold flat, so we can put them under something or put them in our bag when we are traveling. But sometimes we need it to stand up tall. And so this is going to help you. So here is our large utility tote in the bold color block print here. And what this does, you see these little rings right here? These are called grommets. And so your Stand Tall insert is going to feed through the grommets here and snap closed. And this is what helps your Stand Tall insert to stay put. So it's going to come in 2 different prints, black and gray. So here's the black one inside of this bold color block one. You can see the mesh pockets here. So what this is it's kind of like a little U shape. I'm going to take it out so you guys can see this. It's a U-shaped right here. So this is what it looks like going in, and so this is what it looks like on the outside. So this is how it helps your large utility tote to stand tall. So love that. So it comes in the black and the whisper gray. So here is my large utility tote in the line drawn flowers print, and this is the gray. I actually kind of like the gray because it's not a black hole. Now I like the black one because it looks nice in that one. But if you have a lighter color large utility tote, definitely grab the gray because you can see what's in here. So you got those mesh pockets here. So just wanted to show you like how nice this looks when you're packing. So say you're going on a road trip. So I'm actually using my phone right now, but here's my phone case. So I'm going to put my phone case right there in that mesh pocket. So we're on a road trip. Got my All About the Benjamin's Wallet honey yellow wristlet strap. Caramel would also look really good on here. So we're going to put that in there. That way, if we stop at a convenience store for the snacks, right, I can just whip out my All About the Benjamin's wallet really quickly and go in the store and get some snacks. Then let's say we are going to have our travel case. So like for me, I'm an overpacker. So like a lot of times my suitcase is so full of clothes, like I don't have room for all the little other things. So I use the travel case for my hair dryer, my brushes, my flat iron, my makeup, and things like that. So get ready with me. So we're going to put that travel case here on the side. Then also my hanging traveler case, because I do not travel without this. So that fits nicely right inside here. Then we are going to throw in this is the around the clock thermal. Give me a break, right? Give me a break. And so this is for, bottles of water. If your husband doesn't want to stop on the road trip like mine, then you could put some water and snacks in here from home. So it fits nicely in here. And then you cannot forget about our lightweight blanket. If you are on a road trip with my husband, he will freeze you to death. And so I love that this lightweight blanket is so soft and so cuddly, and it is very lightweight, like it's called, but it's also kind of compact. So if you're flying, this is great to put on your carry-on, but it's thin enough to where it won't take up a lot of room. So I can put that in here, and you can see that I am super organized on our road trip, and that stand tall insert gives your large utility tote structure and gives you a little bit of organizational pockets on the inside. So I hope that you will consider hosting a party with me this catalog season. So if you're watching today and you do not have a consultant, that I would love to be your consultant and host a party with you, whatever kind of party that you decide, and help you earn this, or maybe one of our rolling luggage pieces. Here is one of our little rolling luggage pieces. We have several Hostess exclusives that you can choose from. So I'm excited to party with you this season. If you're also watching today and you're like, okay, I want to be a consultant because I want to make money, but I really want to host too, you can if you're a consultant, you can be the hostess of your own party. You can earn, hostess rewards and earn the commission. So let's chat and see if 31's a fit for you if you'd like to do that as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great day.